7.2 million monthly views. Yes, guys, I am talking the truth. Let me show you. Let's jump to the section here. Now you should be able to see my screen. This Pinterest account receives 7.2 monthly views. This is not my Pinterest account though, but this is on Pinterest. Okay. Now, if you see what exactly this person has been doing, this person has been, and they have like 79,000 followers. They have been posting pins on a consistent basis related to different topics, especially work at home, job related pins. Now, each of these pins actually go to, like if I click one of these pins, let's say, um, get paid to talk to people, or how to save $3,000, or get paid to be a friend. Okay, I'll just go for this one. How to save $3,000 in 3 months when you're broke. Now, when I click that pin actually opens up this page, and here I can read the title, and I can see this nice image. And if I click this image, if I click the link here, it will take me to this person's blog. Now, some pins can be also taken to the affiliate link or whatever. Now, what if I told you that you can create an account exactly, like on Pinterest, on which AI will build an image like this, AI will write a title like this, AI will write a description like this, and this is not it. AI will also post this content on your behalf for the next 30 days. Yes, I'm serious. So if I go to my account here, I have just created a new account on Pinterest, and you see 72 pins are scheduled to go on this. Okay. Now this particular scheduling has been done with this AI-based software, and I've already started receiving views for my pins. As you can see, I've started receiving views. And if I go to my analytics here, you can see that I have started getting 73 impressions, 4 engagements, 2 outbound clicks. I've already started getting engagements and for all of these pins. And this is one of the affiliate products that I'm promoting from ClickBank. It's called PuraVive. And I showed the details of this on my previous video. It's a long 30 minutes video. You can watch that video just below this, or maybe if you're watching this video on YouTube, you can just go in the description and watch that 30 minutes video. I wanted to make this video quick and short. So let me just go back and show you how this software works. So the name of this software is Traffic Wave Generator. Now, I have already created these waves. So basically what you need to do is, in order to create a wave of traffic, you just click add wave and you write. So I'm going to write here what 2 waves I've already created. Let's see. Affiliate marketing and make money online. So I'm going to write passive income. I'm going to create another wave. Passive income. And I'll choose basic, I'll choose Pinterest, and here I'm going to write passive income, work from home, work from home. And I'm going to choose my Pinterest account. So my Pinterest account was already connected to this. I will choose my boards here, Pinterest boards. I already created these boards. If you want to know how I created them, just watch my 30 minutes video in the description of this. Or maybe if you're watching this on my sales page, you can see the next video on the sales page just below this video. So I'll choose passive income board here. I'll put the keywords here. And I will click this button. I will put the keywords here. I'm going to I can also add a URL maybe. So for now, I'll just keep it simple. I'll click submit. Okay, now the pin titles have been generated. I'll click. It took about 90. It took about 2 minutes for the pin titles to get generated, and then I'll click generate pin descriptions. Now it should take 2 minutes for this to generate. It took another 2 minutes for the pin descriptions to get generated. Now for the pin links, here I'm going to enter the link for my own blog. So I'll just enter this link here. This is the link for my own blog, and just go here and add that link. And add select to pin links, I would say no. And pin template settings and all. So I'll click save. Now I have created this wave which is running, and it's going to create all the pins for me. Now you're watching this as a follow-up video. I created these two waves in my previous video. If you've not watched it, go back and watch it. It should be in the description or below this video. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe. Okay. So I'll go to affiliate marketing wave 1. Now, once this wave is completed, it says finished. Okay. Or like this. And then you need to click this P sign for Pinterest, and you will see all the pin images that have been created 100% using AI. All these pins are created. Now you can see that, right? And the title has been created, the description has been created, and the scheduled dates are created. So these pins will be scheduled to go out for the next 30 days. Like you can see 10 pins per day. So 16 March, 16 March, 16 March, 16 March, then 17 March. So first 10 pins are scheduled to go on 16 March. The next 10 pins are scheduled to go on 17th of March. Now what I'm going to do is I just have to, click export CSV and click export CSV here. And this would get exported. And I'm just going to open the tab. I'm going to unzip the file quickly. And I'll just rename this file with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing wave 1. And then I'll just go to my Pinterest account. I will go to settings, and here I will go to create pins in bulk, and I'm going to drop this file, affiliate marketing wave, and I'll just upload the file here. So I just uploaded the file. It says upload successful. And now I uploaded the CSV file. Maybe you were not able to see that in the screen, but I just uploaded that CSV file that I downloaded from that browser from the traffic wave. And now, basically, if I go back to my account, those pins will start going out soon. Now you see the first pin is already there, 100 highest paying affiliate programs. So this is already posted, and the remaining pins would be posted as well. So there are, it would take some time for Pinterest actually reviews the post, but everything would be scheduled. So I can, post as many pins as much, and I will start receiving some crazy amounts of profit. Now soon my account will look like this, like for this mama blog. Okay, she has like 7.2 monthly views, 7.2 million monthly views. Now this is her account, right? And my account is this one, right? So soon I will have tons and tons of pins that will start sending traffic to my blog, to my affiliate links, and to my offers. And I already have, started receiving traffic. So that being said, guys, so what you need to do is you just need to, if you want to get access to this software, you can go to my blog here and go to this article, generate high quality traffic for 100% free on complete autopilot. I'll leave the link for this article in my description, or you can click the button if you're seeing this on a sales page and simply, click any of the buttons here. You can read about this software and click any of the buttons. Once you click this button, you will be taken to the sales page of this software. You can go through the sales page and simply go here and read about the software. If you feel like, you can watch this demo video if you feel like, and then click get instant access, and make sure you buy the $37 commercial license and you buy the OTO1 and OTO2 to get the full features of the software. It would cost you a total of somewhere around, it would cost you, less than the price of a pizza, of course, but it's all one-time payment, by the way. So that being said, for a detailed review on this, you can go and watch my 30 minutes video. And thank you for watching. I hope you love this. Take care. Bye-bye.